What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out of Cleveland, Ohio. Got a couple boutique shops that I do want to check out. Let's go see what's up. Do got a big X for Xhibition right there. All right, let's go. Let me get a proper view of the front of the store. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That is fire. That is fire. Got a replica of Jordan's locker from way back when at USC. That is fire. They do got plenty of releases. They got plenty of all kinds of stuff. Let's look around. Do got the latest drops. Haven't seen these anywhere. These just dropped, I think last week, right? Foam posits. Do got the Chicago splits that everybody's had recently. Jordan 2s. I do like these. I just don't want to pay retail like that, but I do like the 2s. Everybody's been pushing the Terminators lately. I'm not the biggest fan. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan. I love the movie, but I'm not the biggest fan of the shoes. I don't know, it just seems like there's something missing on them. They're okay. But I'm just not gonna act like I'm a huge fan. Looks like they're out of most of the Jordans since they've all been sold. Do got the 2s right here. I'm a huge fan of these 2s though. Man. Only if I could find one at the outlets, man. These are fire. I just don't want to pay, I think, what, $150? That's actually not too bad, I guess. I do love these. I don't have the UNC 2s. I only have the Mellow 2s. So I kind of should get these because I have pretty much every one of the UNCs. Do got multiple Zoom generations, which are fire. $190 for these. These are LeBron's first shoe from way back when. They are retroing those bad boys now. Got the Cortez, which have been difficult to find. Air Max 1s, all corduroy, $160 for these. I'm seeing these at a bunch of the outlets in a bunch of different spots. You got the infrared 6s right here. Got a bigger pair. And got some mids, and more mids. So the AJKO version, huh? Oh no, these are, my bad. These are airships. They got a pair of airships. Okay. Haven't seen too many of these in hand, so that's pretty dope. Got some off-white right here. Don't see off-white in too many places. I think these are $665, if I remember, $675 or something like that. And they do got some dunks, aka babes. They got some babes. I don't know the silhouettes and stuff like that. $345 for these. Do use some very solid materials on these. I don't really mess with babes too much. Haven't seen them on hand too much, but quality is definitely there. Tell me these don't look like the Air Force Ones though, right? They do have a lawsuit pending. Curious to see what happens. But tell me those other ones ain't the dunks and these ain't Air Force Ones with stars on the side. And then we got another pair of these dunks right here. These babes go for $345. That yellow one, I think $315. But yeah, these look like dunks, right? Look like dunks. But yeah, the material, super amazing. The material is just super nice. Kind of like the SB Dunks. Got some 2002 Rs. Got a bunch of different colorways. This one's fire, dude. This one is fire. But yeah, I got a bunch of those. A lot of people have been into those lately. 550s, got a bunch of those as well. And these Air Force Ones, these come with a brush that is hilarious. $150 for those. They did drop a bunch of I'm from Cleveland merch, which is pretty dope. Got trucker hats, $50 for these bad boys. I'm surprised they didn't trademark that though. There's no trademark sign on it. Why wouldn't you guys trademark that? Really? Come on. Then of course got plenty of New Era, which y'all know I don't really mess with hats unless I get them on sale. Do got a bunch of higher end merch. Hollywood Saint. We saw that brand. That's the brand that they had at Trophy Room. Definitely not cheap. Their shirt's going for $500. Holy cow. Designer shirts going for a ton. Yeah, $540 for those as well. Y'all know I don't really know much about the designers. They got a black man hoodie right here. Those are going for $3. Yeah, I don't really know much about all this type of stuff. I just know just the basic sports apparel stuff. They got Rude. Do know a little bit about them, but not too much. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. We're gonna hit up another spot. Let's go. I almost overlooked these. These are the Noctas, the one with the snakeskin upper right here. These are definitely interesting. I'm not a big fan of the Noctas. I don't think I've thought any of them were pretty dope, but do got them. Got them for retail, pretty dope. And then of course got Dunk Lows, Dunk Highs, got them. All right, next stop, Akron, Ohio, suburb of Cleveland. Unknown. Let's go. Let's go. Most of the sneakers back here. I see all kinds of J's. All kinds of J's. Social Status collab. These are on sale for $125. $1.25 for these. These came out at $200. Then got the penny ones. Those are the penny twos. These are the penny ones. These are going for $1.90. That's the original price. I got one of the regular colorways right here. Have I even seen this one? I don't even think I've seen these. These are on sale already for $96. I don't even remember seeing these. This is definitely interesting. $96. That is fire. A lot of stuff has not been moving, so a lot of stuff on sale. Do you got, oh, it says the size on it. Do you got the Cardinals? Got the infrareds. They got the true blues. Oh, they still got the Wizards PE. That is insane. I haven't seen these in a lot of spots. Do got the handcrafted 5s, which are fire. Are these actually on sale? Oh, these are on sale. $153. They're on sale. Do got the lows too. I haven't seen these almost anywhere, so that's pretty fire that they have these. Not been seeing these at all. $140. And these are some OGs, right? The low OGs. Got the 2s, the responsibility 2s. These are fire, dude. I'm such a fan of these. Does have that midsole with that suede on it. Super, super nice. Super luxurious look. Of course, I got the 11 low IEs, $185, and then got the Afrobeat 7s. Checking to see if anything is on sale because the prices are on the bottom. You got the Lucky Green 2s. Also got the women's 12s, the Hyper Royal 12s. 11.5. This is actually my size right here. This is a size 10. I can do 10s on the ones. Look at the price, dude. $126. You just would not expect stuff to be on sale, but stuff's not moving at a lot of stores. $125 for these. Dang, dude, I could have grabbed these for $100 too, and I said no, so I'm gonna have to say no. Those are fire though. You got the 11s right there, and probably smaller sizes in these. I know the bigger sizes sold out. You got Dunks in the women's size, and then do got those. We've seen those at a lot of spots. And then probably grade school, right? Grade school version of those, yep. Got multiple Noctas. Haven't even seen one of these, and got multiple here. That is just fire. The Ugly Duckling Air Max 1s go for $100, and then these are $100 as well. Wow. More collabs. Billie Eilish. Seeing stuff that we haven't seen too many spots. $126 for these. These are definitely interesting. It's a little too much for me, but definitely interesting. And even got the Barclays. We're seeing all kinds of stuff that we haven't seen anywhere. And they're on sale for $112. That is fire. That's fire. Do got the Comme des Garçons right here. Got multiple colorways. I think these go for what? $150 for these. This one looks huge. This one's also $150, I believe. I don't know, but yeah, I think they're $150. There's Progressive Field. It's where the, I was gonna say what's the team name? I don't even know what the team name is. Used to be the Indians. I don't even know what the Guardians. Is that who it is now? But that is pretty dope. Driving through downtown. It's raining so much. Can barely show you guys because it's so much damn rain. Is this a brand new stadium? This place is nice. This place is fire, dude. Dang, dude, look at that. It's like wide open. You can see right there. Right in the heart of downtown Cleveland. Downtown Cleveland's right on the lake, if I remember. Is that a bunch of steam coming out? There's a bunch of steam coming out from under the grounds from the sewer system. What the hell? Looks like it's coming from one of those cars. it's just coming from the sewers. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Cleveland Stadium right there. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is right next to Cleveland Stadium. Really? Really? Now there's this big ball looking thing right there in the way. But Cleveland Stadium's right there, and then Rock and Roll Hall of Fame right here. Wow. And then Cleveland Stadium. I'm gonna have to walk out. It's raining like crazy, but I'm gonna have to walk out. Ain't this about a mother lover? I really don't have any coins, but this is Cleveland Stadium. They do have a pro store. I think it's open. Dang, after all that, they're closed. Dang it, they're closed. They're renovating. Dang it. So much for that. All right, Pro Shop is closed. Another angle of the stadium. Look at this. Parking is only $6. What the hell? That's a foreign thing in LA. What the hell? But yeah, man, the stadium looks dope. Damn, I want to go look at the baseball stadium too. Got Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse where the Cavs play. Doesn't even look like an arena from this angle. Let's go around to the other side. I think it looks more like an arena on the other angle. Yeah, from this angle, definitely looks more like an arena. And I didn't notice it's right next to the baseball stadium. Oh, that's dope. That's fire. Is there a game today? Then the fact that you can see out of the stadium and you can see the downtown skyline, that is pretty fire. That's fire. All right, there was an abrupt stop because they told me I couldn't take video, which is interesting because nobody's in there. Nobody's in there. And I know sneaker market slowed down and stuff, but like, I don't know. I would think people want promotion. Like, they didn't even ask me what I was doing, whatever. I don't know. That's the first time I've had that outside of LA. Kind of interesting. Usually in the smaller towns, usually like they love getting publicity and stuff, but I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, pretty dope shops. This one was actually a little bit nicer. They had more stuff, and stuff's actually on sale. So might be worth visiting if you're in the area. Yeah, make sure you guys go ahead. Press the like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos. And then click on one of these. Got tons of videos. Click on one of them. They're pretty decent. I don't know. They're better than watching nothing. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.